In this video, I'll show you how to pair your device with the KME Smart App using both Smart Connect mode and Access Point mode. First, open the latest KME Config Tool. Click the menu icon, the three dashes, select your port, and upload the firmware. The tool will automatically detect your board and upload the firmware for you. Once the firmware is uploaded, click the plus icon and choose the devices for your project. For this example, I'm selecting the DHT sensor and a relay. Configure each device by selecting the DHT type and assigning the GPIO pins. Once that's done, click Upload Devices. Next, download the KME Smart App on your phone. It's available for both iOS and Android. Open the app, tap the plus icon in the top right corner, and click Add Device. Now enter the SSID and password for your local network. Make sure it's a 2.4 gigahertz network. Once entered, click Connect. At this point, you have two options for pairing, via Smart Connect mode or Access Point mode. Let's start with Smart Connect mode. Press and hold the boot button on your ESP for about 2 seconds to put it into Smart Connect mode. You'll notice the LED blinking once per second. This indicates that the ESP is now in Smart Connect mode. In the app, select Via Smart Connect, tap Single Device, and then Add Device. You can rename the device here if you like, or simply click Save. As you can see, the device is now successfully paired with the KME Smart App, and you can control it right from the app. Now let's pair the device using Access Point mode. This time, press and hold the boot button for 4 seconds to put the ESP into Access Point mode. You'll see the LED blink every 3 seconds, indicating it's in Access Point mode. Open your phone's Wi-Fi settings and look for a network called KME Smart App. Tap on it and connect using the password 1234568. Once connected, go back to the KME Smart App. Select Via Access Point mode. It may take a few seconds, but once paired, tap Add Device, click Save, and you're ready to control your devices through the app. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.